This chapter is applications of differential calculus. Another example 7.68 page number 49. What asking? Find the asymptotes of the curve f of x is equal to 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16. So here the function is solution f of x is equal to 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16. Here you observe above numerator degree 2, numerator degree is equal to 2, denominator degree also 2, both are equal. So 2 by 2, 1. That's why here numerator degree not greater than denominator degree. That's why there is no slant asymptote. Here denominator, otherwise numerator degree is not greater than denominator degree. Therefore no slant asymptotes. Okay, clear? There is no slant asymptotes. So remaining what vertical and horizontal asymptotes are there? There are not. We check that. How we find the asymptotes? So if we give the x tends to 0, y tends to infinity, then x is equal to 0 is the one asymptote. X is equal to 0 means y axis. That is the vertical asymptote. So this is over. Here numerator degree and denominator degree equal. That's why there is no slant asymptotes. One point clear. After that, f of x is equal to 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16. Actually, this function, where it is the infinity, we check that. If x square minus 16 is 0, something by 0 going to infinity. So what x square minus 16 is equal to 0, then it is infinity. Then x square is equal to 16, then x is equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. So we check limit x tends to plus 4. Consider plus 4. Yet plus 4 f of x limit x tends to 4 plus consider first, after that 4 minus. Left side, right side of the plus 4 is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16 is equal to 4 plus means 4.1 something little value. Plus means above 4, just within 0.001 variation also. So this is greater than 16 coming, something little bit. So it is positive infinity coming. Limit x tends to 4 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 4 minus 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16 is equal to, here 4 minus means below 4, 3.9999 like that, just a simple value, little value. So here x square means 4 minus, this is somewhat little than 16, so minus coming, so it is the minus infinity. So at x is equal to 4 plus infinity, at x is equal to 4 minus infinity coming. Okay, so then implies x is equal to 4 is the vertical asymptote, otherwise asymptote. And after that we check the x limit x tends to 4 minus also. Minus 4, here plus 4 plus minus 4 plus. It is the better. F of x. Now limit x tends to minus 4 plus fx what? 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16. Here what coming? Minus 4 plus. Minus 4 plus. Minus 4 above. Minus 4 above means minus 3.9 like that. So this is compared with 16, some less value coming, minus infinity. Here minus coming. So limit x tends to minus 4 minus. Minus 4 minus means minus 4 below. Minus 4 point something. Minus 4.1 or 2 like that. Little value. Then limit x tends to minus 4 minus, then 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16, it is equal to, so minus 4 minus is below value, minus 4.1. So compared to 16, this value square minus square also positive, some value big coming. Compared to 16, above 16 coming, little changes. So this value is plus infinity. So here it implies x is equal to minus 4 is also vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote. Asymptote. Actually it is asymptote, but here this is the silent asymptones. Asymptote. This is also asymptote. We read as comfortably asymptote. It is also asymptote. So how many asymptotes here? 2. At x is equal to 4, at x is equal to minus 4. Come to graph. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. X is equal to 4, somewhere here. 4. X is equal to 4. This is the x is equal to 4 line. And x is equal to minus 4 also. At minus 4 means this value. At x is equal to minus 4. These are the vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptote. This also vertical asymptote. Okay, 2 is over. After that, any horizontal asymptote is there or not. So we check. This is over. Now again we check. So if x tends to infinity given, suppose x tends to infinity, so then what coming? If x tends to infinity, then y is equal to 0 or some any a value, then y is equal to a is the vertical horizontal asymptote. What value we give to this? Limit x tends to minus infinity, f of x what? So here x tends to minus infinity. Here this equation divide with x square. 2 minus 8 by x square upon 1 minus 16 by x square. In the case of infinity, we divide with the maximum power what? That power dividing with both numerator and denominator. Then if x tends to minus infinity, we apply here 2 minus 8 by minus infinity square means something by infinity 0 by 1 minus this also something by infinity 0 coming. So it is the plus 2. If limit x tends to plus infinity, then f of x is equal to this also here 2 minus 8 by x square here limit extends to minus infinity, here limit extends to plus infinity, here 1 minus 16 by x square. Here also this 0, 2 by 1, 2 come. So at x is equal to x tends to minus infinity plus infinity, both y values 2. This f of x is the y value. So this is the y is equal to 2. Yet x tends to minus infinity plus or minus infinity, then y is equal to 2 came. That's why y is equal to 2 is the one asymptote. This is y is equal to means horizontal asymptote. Y is equal to is the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Otherwise asymptote. So y is equal to 2. So here 0, y is equal to 2 means somewhere here. Take here y is equal to 2. This is the y is equal to 2. This is the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. This line. Okay. After that, we discuss about the curve. How it is the curve? If this is over, next f of x is equal to 2x square minus 8 by x square minus 16. Suppose check the graph how it is done. Suppose x is equal to 0 put, f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0, 2, 0 minus 8 by, this is also 0 minus 16, 8 by 16, 1 by 2. So this is the y value. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 by 2 coming. So this point is the 0, 1 by 2. So this curve passes through the 0, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 where? So x is 0 and y is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means here 2 are, here 1 up to, here 1 by 2, 0.5, 1 by 2. So passes through this point. Okay, if x taking minus 4 plus and minus 4 minus this side and this side, both sides. So if x is minus 4 minus coming, this value is like going here up to down, decreasing like this. Here also in this to in this. Here 4 plus 4 minus meaning this type of curve coming. After that, remaining curve. This is the these are the vertical asymptote. This is the vertical asymptote to this curve. These are two branches, same curve. This is also this vertical asymptote, and this is the horizontal asymptote. Here also vertical asymptote. This is also horizontal asymptote. Okay. Another branch also for this. How that function passing through the origin. This function. At 0 minus, if you check this type of curve coming. 0 plus taken, this type of branch coming. 0 plus, 0 minus. 0 plus means 0 in this side, this value going to decreasing. 0 positive, this side coming. We check the values. How we check? X is equal to 0, we get 1 by 2. If x is equal to taken this side values, this graph coming, this type of coming. If x is equal to this side, minus values take, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, up to like that, this value decreasing to downside. This is the curves for this function. This function, this graph, this graph, this graph. Okay.